Hey guys, so what's up? Welcome to this video. I haven't been making videos on Sparta Chef because I've been busy. But I've got some time and thought about before going out to make this video. So, you wanna become vegan? Or you don't like to eat the foods that are not healthy for you? What is the purpose? You need to know why. Don't you just follow other people's things, you know? Let's say, for me personally, it's not easy to stop eating everything and just go boom to plant diet thing. No. You know, all the lifetime you've been eating meat or fish and dairy products, and now your body is used to it, and it's not easy to get this habit out of you. You need to stop slowly. It needs a progress. That means it might take years, months, I don't know, even decades. It could take that. This is an important thing because you every day have to eat, right? So what I want to say in this video, okay, with my own experience, how I do this, and how I'm not saying I'm vegan fully, because I experience times where I don't have options and I go and eat some tuna, right? Things like that. But slowly I replace my products that I eat, the foods, with some more healthy foods. Okay? So what I do and how it is for me, and let me explain to you. Okay? About meat. I don't eat meat at all anymore. Maybe I will eat once a month, but that's so rarely, where I'm so lazy or so upset that I don't have anything else to get the protein from or whatever. And then boom, I make a chicken breast. Okay? But that's so rarely, and I don't count this. And I trust myself, I don't beat myself about this. Because I trust myself, it's okay, sometimes it happens. It's same with mistakes and problems you got in your life, you know. You have to experience this to learn from it. So, about meat, I stopped eating meat because it doesn't make me feel good. It takes time to digest. It makes me feel a little bit more aggressive, which is I don't find this easy to handle. I don't like this, you know. I can't sleep afterwards that easy because my stomach, my digestion, metabolism is working like crazy or something like that. Yeah, so that's the thing about meat. Fish, I love salmon, I have to say, I love salmon. But I slowly reduce it from leave it, because I know everything that's an alive food, the food that's living, like it's dead, it shouldn't be consumed, you know. We are crazy. I want to tell you why we're crazy, okay? The chicken, the cow, whatever animal you're eating, and I don't want to judge you or anything. You don't think, it's your own belief. That's my own perspective view. Anything you eat, and you think, okay, that has a lot of protein and these benefits. Let me tell you one thing, okay? This chicken has been eating plant-based food for its whole life, and it's got this whole protein, all this stuff in the body, and now you go, okay, instead of going directly to the plant-based diet, you go and steal from a chicken its protein and everything that is consumed. You kill this monster, that's how you call it, I'm sorry to say. You kill this monster, there's a little monster, there's a little bit, something that you don't care about. It's like a monster for you. And then you eat it and you feel, okay, I'm superior. But think about, let's see it's a bigger monster, a dinosaur, okay? It wants to also eat and become stronger. And we also eat a lot of things. So my flesh and all this stuff also have proteins and all those beneficial things. So if the dinosaur is gonna come and eat me because I consume all these healthy things, then it's gonna take and receive and grow stronger or whatever. But is that normal? Tell me why monkeys eat grass and these plant things. Cows, chickens, all this stuff. Why? Because that's the most natural thing, and that's where they get the proteins and everything from. So don't tell me or think that there's no way to get protein from plant-based food and natural foods that are healthy and give you boost in your energy and your lifestyle to create something that you want in a very poor intentional way. Okay? That's what I want to say. You can be whatever you want to be. But why you wanna be that way? Is it because you don't feel healthy, or is it because you wanna follow someone else? Think about that. Let me know your thoughts, and let me tell you one last thing. If you're transforming and you're interested, take it slow. Try to replace meat with something else. Let's say I have here my spirulina drink, okay? Instead of drinking milk, I drink this, and it's like water with 5 grams spirulina a day or something like that. Why not? It has protein and it's more beneficial than everything that's more beneficial by fruits and everything. But hey, it gives me the feeling that I'm alive. I'm eating food that's live. So that's a video about it. I wanna let you know that you can be whatever you wanna be, whenever you wanna be, but you have to put the hard work on it. You have to invest on yourself for the best healthy things, okay? I know it sounds harsh, I know it might be expensive, but there's so many replacement food that you can eat. Here, you know what's this? This is buckwheat, okay? This here, okay, has 75 carbs in each 100 grams, and plus 13 grams protein per freaking 100 grams. And you know what's 100 grams for that? Just like a little apple. I can eat like 300-400 grams per portion, because it's nothing, it's fluffy and easy to eat. So why not find this natural easy food that digests easily and go through your body easily, and you feel much better? Why have to go through things? Why have to go shortcut? Why have to cheat these ways? Why? This is a problem. We cheat, right? We want to get this directly. I want to get the milk. It has this protein. It has this and that. Yeah. So what? Don't you want to get this from? It's not natural. It's gonna make you feel better. Is it that way? The way we support life? And I'm not saying life, just people. We need to support this earth, this universe. We have to support it. You know? Why cut the trees and kill the trees and make all this stuff? Why not let the world breathe? Why not let the person go directly to the plant-based nutrition and get the nutrition from there? Why? What's the problem, right? And I'm not judging or anything, you know? We have so many resources, but because we used to and brainwashed, okay, I have to eat this. We need milk for our muscles, or our bones have to get stronger. We need meat to be like warm, whatever. Come on, man. There's so many people that grow up without eating meat and all this stuff. And even out the old times, the only way and time I would suggest you to eat meat, it's which is 99% not possible for you, for who's watching this video. Don't tell me you don't have anything else to eat. It's when you go and hunt for food because there's no other way. Eat then. Why not? Then you're gonna say an animal, you have to survive. Eat it. Okay, cool. What should you do? You don't wanna die. But that's a different kind of story. And that's back then where people needed to do that. But I'm sure, pretty sure that people also stick to like really nice food, fruits, normal food, and nutritional, like, I don't know, seeds, peanuts, and all this stuff. If you implement everything that's so alive, it's gonna make you live and rise up in your life, okay? So that's a video. There we go. I wish you the best. Just do what you gotta do. Don't take it serious, but you have a serious commitment. Have fun with it. Enjoy your experimenting new things. Make your food. Ask people. Go and risk. Why not? Try new things. See if it works for you. If not, I don't wanna say anything. It's your life, your choice, your decision. So do whatever you wanna do and enjoy in any way you live. Peace.